Hello everyone! If you're new here, my name is Valerie. I make sewing tutorials and sewing patterns. Today, I have a new tutorial and a pattern for the Sadie Sewing preview. In this video, we'll be making the top, and in the next one, we'll sew the skirt. I decided to split this project into two videos, since some of you may only be interested in the top, while others might just want the skirt. So yeah, in today's video, we're making the top. I would say it's an intermediate level project. There's nothing particularly complicated about it, but you will need a tool for installing eyelets. As always, you can find a pattern linked in the video description, and let's get started. So for this project, I choose lightweight Sudan fabric, and I have 2 meters of it, both for the top and the skirt. We'll also need eyelets and the pattern, which you can find with the link in the description below. After you print out the pattern, don't forget to measure the test square to make sure the printing is correct. It should be 5 by 5 centimeters. This pattern is super easy to assemble. First, you need to cut out the axis where the scissors are marked, then tape all the pages together and cut out all the pattern pieces. Before cutting the fabric, I always recommend to shrink it by steaming it with an iron or washing it in a washing machine, so your garment will not shrink later on. When cutting out the pieces, I recommend labeling or numbering them somehow so you won't get confused which piece is which, because they look quite similar. And now we need to join all of these pieces with vertical seams. The seam allowance is 7 millimeters. So I've joined all the pieces, and I did the same for the lining. Now clip all the curves and press the seams open. I got 4 strips of interfacing, about 18 times 3 centimeters, and now I'm going to fuse them onto the area where the eyelets will be inserted. I fused the interfacing both to the shell and the lining. And now place these both pieces right sides together and make a stitch along the side and top edges. Now you have 3 options. You can leave the top as it is and simply press the edges, or you can top stitch all the edges, or you can understitch, which is I'm going to do. I'm going to fold the seam allowance toward the lining and top stitch. Now we need to join the straps. As you can see, I've already finished one of them, and this is how clean it looks. The only thing left is to close this opening by hand with blind stitches. So I unpicked straps a little bit, and now place the shell straps right sides together and pin them together. And then do the same for the lining straps and also pin them together. And make stitches 7 millimeters from the edge. And now through this opening, close this opening. And now all that's left is to close these openings with blind stitches. So I finished the straps. And now we need to close the bottom. To do this, I've made an opening in the lining. And now through this opening, I'm gonna pull the bottom edges, placing them right sides together. And pinning them. And make a stitch 7 millimeters from the edge. I also understitched the bottom for this opening. And now we can close it with blind stitches. The final step is to insert the eyelets and make the drawstring. For the drawstring, I cut a strip 2 centimeters wide. And now I'm gonna fold it and make a stitch 5 millimeters from the edge. I don't have a special tool for turning the drawstrings right side out, so instead I didn't cut the thread tails and threaded a needle onto them, tied them off, and just like that I'm gonna turn the drawstring right side out. I transferred the eyelet placement markings from the pattern, and now I'm just gonna install the eyelets using a press, and the top is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of interesting content there as well. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I read everything and reply to all of them. And I'll see you in the next videos. Bye.